Yes. Everyone can see my screen? Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, right. So last session up to we have completed 45 command, right? So last session we have completed 45 commands. So today we are going to complete so many possible, that many we are going to complete. Clear, guys?
Okay.
So this is my AutoCAD file. Right. So 46 command, what will we have? Special line. So special line short form will be SPL. So just opening my AutoCAD, I'm typing SPL. See, if I type SPL, it's taking special polyline, enter. So this is also like arc. Previously we have discussed it, right? So clicking here, first click, second click, third click, fourth click. So how many clicks you want, that many clicks you can give. Then after completing yours, you can give enter. So if you give here escape, it should not visible. So it will hide. I'll show you. SPL, enter, click and pull, first click, second click, third click. So let's say that if I press escape, it will delete. See, I'm pressing escape. But each and every command we are giving escape only, except polyline. So this commands how you are giving, you should understand. So when you are giving click, when you are giving escape, that you should understand properly. Okay. So the special polyline, when we are using flexible duct, that time we are going to use this one. And next one we have list, right? So list short form will be LI. So previously I think we have discussed a list. Uh, yes, number 41
Command
previously we
note
have
40.
discussed it. So again we'll check what is list. Yes. So let's say that whatever the thing, either it is circle, rectangular or object, anything, easily we can find that area, layer, color code, number of things we can get through the list. For example, if you are having layout like this, you are having layout like this, so you want to find this area of this object. First you should confirm that this is single object or multi object. Can anyone say this single object or multi object? Can anyone can say?
Single object.
So this is multi object because see,
Multi.
yes, this is taking individually selection. You are someone making drawing in my AutoCAD. Yes. So to become join this one, I am giving short form will be J. If I give J, what will happen? It will select join and it will become single object. Now if you see, it's became single object or multi object. It's a single object, right? To find this area, I am giving LI list, enter. Now we can see here area. This is area in square millimeters. To convert into square meters divided by 10 lakhs. And here you can see color code 2, color name will be yellow, line type will be bilayer, right? So if you are going for this one, selecting this one, li enter list. Now you can see line type, you are getting your line type, right? Here this one. So if you are going for this one, track this one, selecting this one, li enter list, enter. Now you can see track. So line type you will get, color code 4 you will get, and color name cyan you will get, layer 0. So layers and all we'll discuss now. So everything you are getting, right? And here you will get length also 2466. If you measure, same you will get DLI enter endpoint and this endpoint. How much you are getting? 2466. So in list number of things you can find easily. So previously here we have discussed that area. Yes, area 31 command we discussed, right? So in this one we are going to find out only area. But if you are using list, we can find length. If it is single object, we can find length. If it is block layout, we can find area and color code, line type, line weight, everything we can find, right? Next one we have polyline. So polyline, previously how we have discussed it, line weight. So line weight means what we have done, we increased width of the line, right? So like that only we can use polyline. So the difference between line weight and polyline I'll show you now here. See, polyline short form will be PL. PL enter, click and pull. Just I am giving number of clicks. Enter. This is I am using polyline, and normal line I am using L enter line. Enter. So both I have made almost a rectangle, not rectangle. Assume that I have made like rectangular shape. Okay. If I select line, what's happening? It's selecting individually, right? If I select polyline, what will happen? So polyline select entirely it will select. Whenever you are finding area of the rooms like this unshaped rooms, that time what you can do, just you can use polyline each and every connection, sorry, every corner, then you can use, then you can find your area, length, and line type, line weight, line color. In this polyline we can increase line thickness and we can decrease also. Let's say that polyline PL enter, click and pull. If you want to give any dimension, W enter, same dimension you have to give. Maybe I'm going to give 20 enter, 20 enter, and then click enter. Again I'm giving PL enter polyline, click and pull, W enter, 50 enter, 50 enter, enter. So we can increase or we can decrease. Again PL enter polyline, click and pull, W enter, 100 enter, 100 enter. So you can see the change. Everyone can see this change.
Yeah, there will be. There is.
Yes. So if you are not given, both are same values. So for this one 20 we gave, for this one 50 we gave, this one 100 we gave. So both values we are giving same values only, right? Let's say that if you are not giving any equal values, let's say that PL enter polyline, click and pull, W enter,
Then
maybe I'm giving here 50 enter, 200 enter. Now you can see difference. So that polyline is starting with 50 mm and ending with 200 mm. You can increase and you can decrease. If you click and pull on second value, it will continue. Enter. So to avoid these things and all, we have to give both values should be same. You're not getting clearly.
Yeah.
Right. Now explode. So we have short form will be explode. Next command explode. Short form will be X. So just I am opening AutoCAD. Explode why we are using previously we have discussed it. See, this is my single object. Clear? This is my single object. So this single object I want to make individual layouts, individual object or multi object. For that one select X, enter. Now you can see this one. It's become individually now. Right? It's became individually, right? So same. Here also you have select this one, X, enter. Now you can see.
sir, we can use a burst also, right?
Hello?
Which one?
Yeah, change.
Someone is telling another object.
We can use a burst command, right? We can.
So burst command, some things what will happen, it will create own layers. In the layer
So
also, it will default it explode. Whatever you are
yeah,
creating your layers.
yes.
So
If we burst, it will be remaining same. If we explode, everything will get explode. It will be like it will come in zero layer, right?
yes, no, not zero layer. So here we are having layers, right?
Okay.
So here we are having, now we did not create any layers. So after creating layer,
Okay.
I'll show you the difference.
Okay.
Right now, after explode, see previously we have done block and insert, right? For this block also, insert also we can do now. So I'll giving you now. We don't know, let's say that I forgot whatever blocks I made, then I enter insert. Here I can get, see RCD 300 I have made, then RCD 600 I have made, then SCD 300 I have made. Let's say that I am importing this one here. So this is single object or multi object.
Single object.
Object.
So this is a block object, actually block. See, I'll show you difference. So if I select this one, how many highlighted points I'm getting?
One.
One only. If I select this one, so
One same.
no. This every line I'm getting corners and center. So this is called center,
Yes.
right? This is called corner. But here I'm getting only one highlighted point. So this is called block, this one, and this one called, what it called, this one?
Object.
What object? Single object or multi object?
Multi object.
This one,
This one is a single object.
single object. So multi object means this rectangle should select individually. Okay. right? And now here first one we have 50th one,
text.
M text. So M text short form will be
T.
T. Now here we have two types of text. One is M text, one more is D text.
D text.
So the difference
Multi-line.
between M text and D text I'll show you here. So first I am going to do M text. For M text, short form will be T, just T, T enter. So let's say that I am giving here, click and pull. So here you can write whatever. So what I have write here, online batch, enter I am giving. So that second it will go 9 p.m. batch. Again I'm giving enter, it's going down. So HVAC batch, right? After completing your text, you have to click on the AutoCAD space, not here. So if you want to change here, you can go here, you can write anything. But after completing yours, you have to take your cursor into the space and you have to click. Again, if you want to edit, you can go here, give double click anywhere, right? And go here, again you can write something, text I'm giving. If you want to remove this 9 p.m. batch, just select backspace. It's gone. And then click. So what will happen in M text, if you select anywhere, what will happen? Total 3 reels are getting selected, right? Getting my voice here.
Yes.
Now, if you are going for another text, what we have?
DT.
D text short form DT. I am going for DT. DT, enter, click and pull. So same only I am writing here. Online batch, enter, HVAC batch, enter, text, right? After that, again I am taking my cursor into space, clicking here, enter. Now you will choose. If I select this one, what happened? 3 lines got selected, right? In M text. If I am going for D text, how many lines got selected?
Only one line.
It means individually getting selected. If you want to edit, you can individually edit. So if I want to change this one, online batch, I want to edit. Double click here, and here you can write something else, whatever. But here you can edit at a time 3. Right? You can see here in M text and date text, this is the difference. You're getting. So this is your comfort. You can use our M text or D text. If you want to edit individually, you can use this text. If you want to edit together, you can go for this text. And now we have scale. So scale short form will be SC and slash R. See here only I'll go for text. This text only I'll go. If I want to increase my text size, if I want to increase my text size or anything, not only text, I want to increase my this do not, or I want to increase this rectangular. Okay, anything, line, rectangular, circle, object, whatever. If you want to increase or decrease, see this one. This is a block, right? If I want to increase or decrease, I can use my command will be scaling. So what I have to do first, just select your object, SC scaling, enter, click and pull or enter reference or enter reference. Again you have to take first click and second click. So first click and second click should be corner points. Now you can pull, you can increase, see it's getting increased my size, or you can decrease, you can increase or you can decrease. If I want dimension, particular dimension, let's say that DLI enter from this point to this point, how much size I have, length
300.
300.
how much I have,
300 mm.
yes. Just if I want to increase this size either below 300 or above 300, tell me your size only from your side, give me any length.
500.
500, okay. Just I'm selecting SC, enter scaling, taking this point, any point you can take, click and pull or enter reference. So this end point to this end point you want 500, right?
Yes.
Select both points, click, and how much you want dimension. You are set that 500. Just I'm giving 500. Enter. What happened? It's
Increase
increased.
exactly 5.
If you want to decrease, same. Select your object, SC, enter scaling. First take, click and pull or enter reference. Click first point, click second point, and you can give size. Now I am giving 100 mm. 100, enter. Right? So this scaling most probably we are using in our HVAC, not only HVAC, plumbing, electrical, firefighting, in AutoCAD. Whenever you are using AutoCAD for anything, you can use this scaling. If you want to increase entire objects, so these things, let's say that this entire lines I'm deleting now. Enter erase. This also I'm erasing. REC enter rectangular. So whatever we have done up to now, right? This only, right? Up to now we have done this entire thing at a time. I can increase. Now see, SC enter scaling. First select totally. SC enter scale. First click and pull or enter reference. First click and second click. You can increase. See, everything is increasing. You can see, and we can decrease. We can increase or we can decrease. Right? Guys, getting or not?
Getting.
Yes. Now scaling we have completed, and then this layers very important. So today I'm not going to take layers, and 59 and 60 will complete today. So 15, which one we have? Cloud.
Cloud.
So cloud short form will be REVC. Just I am opening my AutoCAD. REVC. Click and pull, and you can highlight the things. So if I want to highlight this one, just I'm changing my color. REV cloud. Click and pull. It's getting right. Clear.
So I have one doubt in the scale.
Yes, yes. Ask.
In the scale, generally they will be mentioned that 1:1, 1.125 like that.
Yes, yes, yes. That is for template. That is secondary. That is not scale here. That is for AutoCAD to PDF scale.
Okay.
So let's say that this entire AutoCAD file, right? This entire AutoCAD file, we are going to give in print PDF file. So in site, what you will do, if you are mentioning 1:4 or 1:, maximum you will get 1:100 or 1:150.
Okay.
It means in your PDF file, in your print, whatever you are having AutoCAD print,
Correct.
if you mention in your scale, you are getting millimeters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 millimeter.
Yeah.
So
Then
there,
it is
yeah, if they mentioned 1:100 or 1:150,
okay.
if you measured with the actual scale, 1 millimeter equal to in your AutoCAD, it should be 100 millimeter.
Correct. Sir. So now you are increasing by using that scale command. So automatically it will come that 1 means 1:100, 1:125.
No, it won't come. That is another setting. There we have to change.
Oh,
So
okay.
here
Okay.
why we are
So,
seeing, so whenever you converted some PDF files, so if people having about AutoCAD 17 version. So here I am using AutoCAD 18, right? You can see, I think so. In top, you can see that AutoCAD 2018.
Okay.
So like that, you can check your AutoCAD version.
Okay.
If you are using AutoCAD 2017 or 2018, whatever, about 2017. PDF file you can directly import to AutoCAD.
Correct.
So that also I'll show you in while a layer session. I'll show you.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
So then you will get an idea why we are using scaling and all.
In scaling, I got the idea, but
Yes, so 1 minute
step
I'll.
that scaling.
This link is going to end. I'm going to end this link and I'm going to send new link.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Please join immediately.
Okay.